We have gathered here today to talk about love. Now, love is a very powerful word. It's what brought these two together. Can I get an amen?
Amen.
I just can't hear. I said, can I get an amen? Can't hear. What's that amen I'm looking for? Amen, say it with me.
Amen. Amen.
There we go, I got an amen, finally. God, it's trying to get blood out of my stomach. Anyway, love is what makes the world go round.
Nice.
Sing it, sister.
Yay.
I ain't singing it, but I'll take it. Now, love. Let it begin, love. These two love each other so much that they haven't had sex yet. Can I get an amen?
Amen.
She's still a virgin. Can I get a bloody amen?
Amen.
That's so hard in today's community. If she ended up marrying another guy, she would have done it 20 times by noon. Yeah, because she found love with the right guy, she is still a virgin. Can I get an amen?
Amen.
And that concludes today's ceremony, brothers and sisters.
Uh-huh.
I am DJ Fresh.